Students, today we'll solve the problem on the transpose of matrix. As I told in the previous lecture, we solved the problems on addition, subtraction and scalar multiplication of matrices. Today we'll solve the problems, I repeat again, today we'll solve the problems on transpose of matrix. Let us start with the first problem, that is our first problem. Today's first problem is if A is equals to matrix of 2, 3, minus 1, minus 4. B is equals to matrix of 1, 0, 3, minus 1. Find A transpose plus B transpose and A plus B transpose. You have to find out A transpose plus B transpose and A plus B transpose. Now, here you have to find out A transpose plus B transpose. So first step is we have to get the A transpose value and then the B transpose value. So here A transpose plus B transpose is equals to A transpose, and the transpose means the interchange of rows into columns. So this is A. Its transpose, that will be equals to, the first row will become first column, that means 2, 3. The second row, that will become second column, that means minus 1, minus 4. Plus B transpose. B transpose means transpose of this. This will be matrix of transpose of B, that is first row will be first column 1, 0. Second row, that will be second column, that is 3 minus 1 is equals to, now there is the addition of two matrices. So you get 2 plus 1, then minus 1 plus 3, 3 plus 0, minus 4, plus of minus, that means minus 1 is equals to matrix of 2 plus 1, that is 3, minus 1 plus 3, that is 2, 3 plus 0, that is 3, minus 4 minus 1, that is minus 5. This is the value of A transpose plus B transpose. That means this is our A transpose plus B transpose. So that is our first condition. The second condition is our A plus B the transpose. और सेकंड हम लोगों का सेकंड कंडीशन है A plus B transpose. Now to find out A plus B transpose, first we have to find out A plus B. Now to get that A plus B, again we have to add the two matrices. Say here A plus B is equals to matrix of 2, 3, minus 1, minus 4 plus B 1, 0, 3, minus 1. Just I have written the two matrices, first matrix plus second matrix is equals to, again there is addition of the two matrices, so add the corresponding elements. We'll get 2 plus 1, then 3 plus 0, then here second row minus 1 plus 3, then minus 4 plus of minus, that means minus 1, which is equals to 2 plus 1 that is 3, 3 plus 0 that is 3, then minus 1 plus 3 that means 2, minus 4 minus 1 that is equals to minus 5. This is the value of a plus b. हम लोगों को क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? We have to find out transpose of a plus b. Now from this matrix we will get a plus b the transpose of a plus b that is equals to, now इसका transpose क्या आएगा? The first row that will become the first column, so 3 3. The second row that will be the second column, that means 2 and minus 5. So that is the transpose of a plus b. So we have found out a transpose plus b transpose. Then in the second condition we have got the value of transpose of a plus b. That is our first problem for today's lecture. Then we will solve the second problem. The second problem is, if a is equals to if a is equals to matrix of 1 3 2 4, b equals to matrix of 2 minus 1 3 2. Find A transpose minus B transpose and A minus B the whole transpose. Last problem में, in the previous problem we have done the addition of transpose of A plus transpose of B. Here we have to find out transpose of A minus transpose of B, and then we have to find out transpose of A minus B. So the first one here, let us say first one, that is A transpose minus B transpose equals to, what will be the transpose of A? Transpose of A, that means the interchange of rows into column. First row that will become the first column, that is 1 3. Second row that will become second column, so that is 2 4, minus transpose of B. So here इसका ट्रांसपोज क्या आएगा? ये फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम में आएगा 2 minus 1. Second row that becomes second column, that is 3 2 is equals to, now there is a subtraction of two matrices, so that can be done as 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 3, then 3 minus of minus, that is plus 1, then the last element 4 minus 2. So the value of A transpose minus B transpose that we have got, that is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 is minus 1, 2 minus 3 that is minus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So that is the value of A transpose minus B transpose. Then comes the second value. For A minus B the transpose, second one, for A minus B the transpose, first we have to find out the value of A minus B. So A minus B, A is 1 3 1 3 2 4, minus B, B is 2 minus 1 3 2 is equals to the subtraction of two matrices. दो matrices आपको subtract करना है. So again our simple method, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, that is first element, 3 minus 3 minus of minus, that means plus 1. I repeat again, 3 minus of minus यानी plus हो गया, that is this element, that is 1. Then 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, and the last one is 4 minus 2 is equals to 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. 4 minus 2, that is 2. So this is A minus B. Now from that A minus B, we have to find out transpose of A minus B. So the value of transpose of A minus B is equals to the transpose of this matrix. That means first row that will become first column. ये जो है आपका horizontal जो है vertical में जाएगा, that will be minus 1, this will be 4. Second row, that will be second column, that is minus 1 and 2. So that is transpose of A minus B. Now we will take the problems on multiplication of matrices. So before taking the problems on multiplication of matrices, try to understand what is multiplication of matrices and how the two matrices gets multiplied with each other. The condition, let us say, consider the two matrices A and B. We have considered the two matrices A and B are said to be conformable for the product AB. The simple meaning is that we can find out the product AB, A into B, if the number of columns of A are equal to the number of rows of B. And this is the must required condition for the product AB. I repeat again. To get the product AB, the number of columns of A must be equal to the number of rows of B. Then and only then we can find out the product AB. Matrix A into B ये उसी टाइम पॉसिबल है जब A के कॉलम्स, that means number of columns, और B के number of rows, that will be same. So here, for example, if the order of A is m by n and order of B is n by p. If the order of A is m by n and the order of B is n by p, then AB is possible. Then we can find the matrix AB. And its order is n or n, they are same. The number of columns of A are equals to number of rows of B. That means we can find out the product AB, and the order of AB, that will be m by p. A और B का पॉसिबल है अगर A के कॉलम्स और B के रोज सेम है तो. सपोज सेकंड एग्जांपल, this is first one. Second one is, if I write the matrix A with order 2 by 3 and the matrix B with order 3 by 2, then again we can find the matrix AB. We can find out the matrix AB. Since why we can find out the matrix AB? Because the number of columns of A are equal to the number of rows of B. So we can find out AB, and its order, that will be 2 into 2. That means remaining number here and here, that will be 2 into 2. Let us say the third example. If I consider the matrix A as 3 by 2 and the matrix B as the order with 2 by 3, then again we can find out the matrix AB. we can find out the matrix AB. Why we can find out the matrix AB? Because the number of columns of A are equals to number of rows of B. Here this 2 and this 2 is equal. Here this 3 and 3 are equal. Here this n and n are equal. So ये 2 और 2 निकल गया. The remaining the order of AB, that will be 3 by 3. If, let us say the fourth example. If A, the order of A is 1 by 3, or let us say it is 2 by 3. The order of A is 2 by 3 and the order of B is also 2 by 3. Order of A is 2 by 3 and order B is 2 by 3. Then matrix AB is not possible. That means we can't find out the product AB. Why it is not possible? Because the condition is not satisfied. Condition क्या है आपकी? The number of columns of A, that should be equals to number of rows of 2. That means 3 is not equals to 2 and therefore the product AB is not possible. So in this way we can check whether the product, we can find out the product AB, A into B and so on. Now we will perform the actual multiplication of two matrices. For the actual multiplication of two matrices, consider the two matrices as let matrix A is equals to A11, A12, A21, A22 and matrix B as B11, B12, B21 and B22. This is matrix A and this one is matrix B. The order of A is 2 by 2. The order of B is also 2 by 2. Since the number of columns of A, that means this 2, are equals to number of rows of B, that is 2, that means we can find out the A and B. So we can write down here A into B is equals to, now listen here carefully, we have to multiply the rows of A with the columns of B. I repeat again my sentence. To find out the product of A into B, we have to multiply the rows of A into columns of B. I am saying rows of A, यानी A के जो rows है आपको B के columns के साथ multiply करना है. So first we have to multiply first row with first column. Let us say this is our R1 and this is R2. R1 and R2. That means first row of A, second row of A. With the columns, this is C1 and this is C2. We have to multiply R1 with C1. So this element will be R1 C1. Then R1 with C2. So this element will be R1 C2. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट रो को मल्टीप्लाई करना है आपको फर्स्ट कॉलम से, तो ये आ गया आपका R1 C1. That means 1 1. That means this position indicates that is the first row, first column. Like this one. What is this 1 1? 1 1 indicates first row, first column. 1 2 indicates first row, second column. 2 1 that is second row, first column. 2 2 that means second row, second column. Same in the matrix B. So this position is 1 1, that means first row, first column. 1 2 that means first row, second column. Then second row, first column. That is R2 C1. Second row, first column. 2 1 that means second row, first column. Then R2 C2. Second row, second column. मैंने first matrix में column consider नहीं किया है. I have not considered the column in the first matrix. I have considered only the rows in the first matrix and I have considered only the columns in the second matrix. First में row, second में column. यानी multiplication में while doing the multiplication of two matrices, suppose there are two matrices like this, first one and second one, then you have to always multiply in this direction. This is and this one. First into first, then first into second, then second into first, and second into second. So row into column, again second row into first column, second row into second column. That is R1 C1, R2 C2, R1 C2, R2 C1, and R2 C2. That is multiplication of first row into first column, first row into second column, up to second row into second column. This is the multiplication of rows. Now the actual multiplication is, see here, I write here A into B is equals to matrix of A11, A12, A21, A22 into B11, B12, B21, B22 is equals to matrix of. Now the actual multiplication is first row into first column. This row into first column I mark with the arrow. Now first row के एलिमेंट्स है आपके A11, A12, फर्स्ट कॉलम के एलिमेंट्स है B11 and B21. So the multiplication is A11 this element into this element, that is A11 into B11. First element of first row into first element of first column. Then move on. Next element क्या है आपका A12. It is multiplied with B21. A11 के नहीं, डायरेक्शन में आपका एक एक एलिमेंट आपका रोज का राइट साइड में जाएगा और कॉलम्स का डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में जाएगा. वी हैव स्टार्टेड विद A11, B11. दिस इज फर्स्ट. अब ये राइट साइड में ये मूव हो गया, ये डाउन साइड में मूव हो जाएगा. सो दिस इज प्लस A12, B21. आई रिपीट अगेन. एक एलिमेंट समझ में आया तो बाकी सब समझ में आएगा. वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द फर्स्ट रो विथ फर्स्ट कॉलम. ऑल द एलिमेंट्स ऑफ फर्स्ट रो with the elements corresponding elements of second column, first column. A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21. ये हो गया आपका डिस्पोजिशन R1 से 1. नाउ फर्स्ट रो इंटू सेकंड कॉलम. अभी ये एलिमेंट कॉलम के साथ में A11 into B12, A11 into B12 फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम plus A12 into B22, A12 into B22. So the role of R1 finishes. R1 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो गया आपका C1 के साथ में भी और C2 के साथ में भी. Now comes the role of R2. That means this row. You have to multiply this row again with the first column. That means this one. So A21 into B11, A21 into B11, A21 into B11 plus next element है आपका A22 into B21, A22 into B21. So that is the multiplication of first row into first column. Then multiplication of second row into first column. Then multiplication of second row into second column. That means this one. So A21 into B12. This element will be A21 into B12. A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22. A22 into B22. So that is the completion of matrix A into B. आपको डायरेक्शन याद रखना है. फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का जो है दैट इज रो एंड सेकंड मैट्रिक्स का दैट इज कॉलम. रो आपका राइट साइड में मूव हो जाएगा, कॉलम डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में मूव हो जाएगा. सपोज देयर आर टू एलिमेंट्स इन द रो, देन देयर विल बी टू एलिमेंट्स इन द कॉलम, करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स. तो यह आपका पूरा 4 एलिमेंट्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा. उसको 2-3 बार प्रैक्टिस करो तो आपको समझ में आएगा. 2-3 बार वीडियो रिपीट करके देखो so that your idea will get clear. Now we will solve some problems on the multiplication. See here, the first problem is if A is equals to matrix of, let us start with the matrix 2 by 2, 2 3 1 minus 1. B equals to matrix of 1 2 2 minus 2. Then we have to find out the matrix AB. Find A into B. Find A into B. See here, the A into B is equals to, first you have to check whether that A into B is possible. इसका order है आपका 2 by 2. The order of B is again, it is 2 by 2. So the number of columns of first one are equals to the number of rows of second one. This element, this 2 is equals to 2. That means we can find out A into B. Now A into B is equals to, I write here 2 3 1 minus 1 into 1 2 2 minus 2. मैंने क्या बताया था आपको, the row of first into column of second. So it is equals to this row of first. मैं मार्क करता हूँ. You have to multiply this row with the first column, means this one. ये कॉलम के साथ में आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना. क्या आएगा, 2 into 1. I write here, since this is the first problem, I write completely 2 into 1 plus 3 into 2. That is the first row into first column. Then the first row into second column, that means this column. 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2. So this is the completion of the function of row 1 from matrix A. See here, first row first column आपको ये एलिमेंट मिल गया. First row second column you have got this element. Now this second row, ये इसका काम खत्म हो गया, तो मैं ये इसको यहाँ से हटा देता हूँ. Now second row means this one, this row into this column. R2 into C1, so 1 into 1, I write here 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 2. So it is, I put here bracket minus 1 into 2. Say R2 into C1, 1 into 1, this element, plus minus 1 into 2. So it is minus 1 into 2. Then R2 C2, this element R2, that means this row into this column. तो ये यहाँ पे आ गया 1 into 2, 1 into 2. Plus minus 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into minus 2. So that is the complete multiplication of matrix A into B. Now let us see what we will get. This is equals to matrix of 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 3 into 2, that is 6. Here 2 into 2, that is 4, plus 3 into minus 2, 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. 1 into 1 is 1, plus minus 1 into 2, that is minus 2. 1 into 2, that is 2, plus minus 1 into minus, minus minus plus, so plus of plus plus, so that will be plus 2. That means it is equals to 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, 4 minus 6, that is minus 2, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1, and 2 plus 2, that is 4. That is the matrix A into B. So we have got A into B as 8 minus 2 and minus 1, 4. That is the multiplication of two matrices, that is A into B of order 2 by 2. Now let us solve the another problem of different order. So if A equals to the second example, if A is equals to matrix of 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, B equals to matrix of 1, 2, then minus 1, minus 2, and 3, minus 1. We have to find out A and B. Our question is find A into B. Now first we have to verify whether the product is possible. Product possible है क्या? वो कैसे verify करोगे? If the number of columns of the first, that means A, are equals to the number of rows of the second, then we can find out the matrix A into B. So here, what is the order of A? There are 2 rows and 3 columns, that means 2 by 3. What is the order of B? That is 3 by 2, 3 rows and 2 columns. So our condition is that the number of columns of A, that must be equals to the number of rows of B. So this number 3 is equals to 3. That means we can find out AB. So let us find out AB. A into B is equals to, I put the matrices here, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3 into matrix B, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 3 and minus 1 is equals to. Now the actual multiplication. First problem में मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? First row into first column, that means this row into this column. Multiply करो, we get 2 into 1, 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into 3, 1 into 3. There are 3 elements in the row and 3 elements in the column. So 2 into 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1 into 3. That is first row, first column. Now first row, second column, that means this one. 2 into 2. So we get 2 into 2 plus 3 into minus 2. 3 into minus 2. Then plus 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1. This is the multiplication of first row with first column and second column. Now फर्स्ट रो का काम खत्म हो गया, अभी सेकेंड रो विथ फर्स्ट कॉलम. So elements of second row are 1, 2, 3 and here 1, minus 1, 3. So we get 1 into 1, 1 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 plus 3 into 3, 3 into 3. See here, in the right direction, in the down direction, 1 into 1, 2 into minus 1, 3 into 3. Then second row and second column, that means this one, we get 1 into 2, 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 2, 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into minus 1, 3 into minus 1. Now simplify it. This is equals to matrix of 2 into 1 that is 2, 3 into minus 1 that is minus 3, plus 1 into 3 that is plus 3. Then here 2 into 2 4, 3 into minus 2 that is minus 6, 1 into minus 1 that means minus 1, 1 into 1 that is 1, 2 into minus 1 that is minus 2, 3 into 3 that is plus 9, 1 into 2 that is 2, 2 into minus 2 that means minus 4, and 3 into minus 1 that is minus 3. So it is equals to minus 3 plus 3 gets cancelled, so this element will be equals to 2. Minus 6 minus 1 minus 7, minus 7 plus 4 that is minus 3. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 minus 2 that is 8. 2 minus 4 minus 2, minus 2 minus 3 that is minus 5, or 2 minus 7 that is equals to minus 5. This is the resultant matrix AB with the order of A as 2 by 3 and B as 3 by 2. So we have taken the multiplication of matrices on the order 2 by 2. B is 2 by 2, A is 2 by 3, B is 3 by 2. Let us solve one more problem on that multiplication of matrices, that is the third one. If A is equals to matrix of 3 minus 1, 2, 1 and 1, 2. Here the order is 1, 2, 3, that means 3 by 2. And B as a matrix of, let us say that is a column matrix, say 2 and 1. B is a column matrix, that is 2 and 1. Here the order of this matrix is 2 by 1. A का order है आपका 3 by 2. The order of B is 2 by 1. We have to find out AB. Find AB. Now to find out AB, we have to verify whether AB is possible or not. A के columns है 2, B के rows है 2. That means this 2 is equals to 2. So we can find out the matrix A into B. So let us find out A into B. We get A into B equals to matrix of 3 minus 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 into B. B is matrix of 2 and 1 is equals to. Our concept is we have to multiply the first row with first column. अब यहाँ पे एक ही कॉलम है तो ये कॉलम हर एलिमेंट के साथ में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. आपका रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स का ऑर्डर क्या रहेगा? ये 2 और 2 निकल गया. दैट मीन्स द रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स विल बी 3 by 1. दैट मीन्स देयर आर 3 rows and 1 column, or it is a column matrix. So let us multiply it. First row into this column. First row into this column. 3 into 2, that is here, plus minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1. अभी यहाँ पे सेकंड कॉलम है ही नहीं तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ फर्स्ट रो यहीं पे खत्म हो गया. देन सेकंड रो मीन्स दिस कॉलम, दिस रो, एंड अगेन दिस कॉलम. 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Abhi again there is only one column, so the function of second row also finishes. Then the third row, this one, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. If we simplify it, we get this equals to 3 into 2, that is 6, minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. 2 into 2, 4. 1 into 1 plus 1. 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 1, that is 2, and which is equals to column matrix 6 minus 1 is 5, 4 plus 1 is 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, and the order of this matrix is 3/1. देखो आपका रिमेनिंग क्या है, यहाँ पे 3 है and this is 1. So the order of matrix is of AB is 3/1. In this way you can find out the product of any two matrices provided that the condition of matrices, multiplication of matrices satisfies. That means if the number of columns of first matrix are equals to the number of rows of second matrix. Now suppose let us say ये हो गया आपका find AB. Let us say the fourth example here, fourth one. Suppose same matrices are there. A is 3 1 minus 1 2 1 1 2 and B is 2 1. That is the column matrix. Our question is find B into A. आपको मैट्रिक्स फाइंड आउट करना है B into A. See here. Now the order of B कितना है आपका 2/1 into A. A का ऑर्डर कितना है? The order of A is 3/2. Order of B is 2/1. Order of A is 3/2. Is the multiplication of AB is possible? Yes. We can find out. Can we find the product of B into A? No. We can't find the product of B into A. Why? Because here the condition of multiplication of two matrices fails. कौन सी कंडीशन फेल होती है? The number of columns of B, that is 1, are not equals to the number of rows of A, which are 3. That means here we can directly write the product BA is not possible, is not possible because number of columns of B, number of columns of B are not equal to number of rows of A. So that is the reason why BA is not possible. We have seen that. Third example में हम लोगों ने देखा था AB was possible because in AB the condition of number of columns are is equals to number of rows that satisfied. But in BA the condition fails. Since the condition is failed, therefore the product BA is not possible. AB is possible but BA is not possible. So that's enough for today. You practice the multiplication of matrices very well, because on the multiplication of matrices you will get near about 14 marks on the matrices. That means out of 18, 14 that will depends on the multiplication of matrices, and only 4 that is on addition and subtraction of the matrices.